In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to open TikTok in mute mode. Whether you're in a quiet setting like the office or school, or just prefer silent browsing, these steps will help you out. First, launch the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. Then, head over to your TikTok profile. Look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, tap on them, and select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Playback option. Tap on it. Here, you'll see 2 choices. Enable the Open TikTok on Mute option. This means that whenever you open the app, videos will be muted by default. Even if your phone is set to ringer mode or completely muted, TikTok will stay silent until you decide otherwise. If you do want to hear the sound of a video, simply tap on the small mute icon at the bottom right corner of the video, and the sound will play. That's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy TikTok without worrying about disturbing others. Be sure to explore our other videos for more useful tips, and we'll catch you in the next one.